Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and let me tell you why the reviews on this bag are so high. This bag is amazing. Now, the quality and durability of this bag is reason enough for me to rate it so high, but also because there's a spot for everything. Now, with 4 kids, I have no time to organize, but with this bag, it actually makes it impossible not to be organized because of all of the pockets and compartments for all the things that we're bringing out of the house. The other thing that I love about this bag is that it has a spot where you can connect your keys so that when you're in a rush and you're trying to search through your bag for keys, well, now you don't have to search because there's a spot for you to clip your keys and you can find them every time you're trying to load your little circus into the vehicle. This bag also has a back compartment that I keep my phone and wallet in for quick and easy access. I like that it's not something that's highly visible to others that maybe might be interested in my bag for the wrong purposes. It's also great for when my husband has the kids and he takes them out. He can grab this bag with no shame about carrying a diaper bag because it is just absolutely neutral. You can really pair it with any outfit. I love this diaper bag so much. I don't carry a purse anymore. I just put my stuff inside of this bag, and I can't say that I won't be using it after my kids are grown. They'll be into their teenage years. I'll probably still be using this diaper bag and ready with a juice box at any given moment because I got the space for it. Now, I really think that you're going to enjoy it. I know that my family does, and that's my point of view.